Today we're making beef Malai Chapli Kabab. For this we need 1 cup diced cilantro, 8 diced green chilies, 1 big long dried red chili, 2 cups diced onion, 2 tablespoon cream milk, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, 2 tablespoons of beshan flour, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, and half a kilo or 500 grams of ground beef, salt to taste, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice.
So first we're gonna mix our onion with our ground beef. Then we're gonna mix our ginger and garlic paste. Then we're gonna put in our yogurt, our cream milk, our garam masala and culmin powder, our red chili and our green chilies, our red chili flakes, our cilantro leaf, our lemon juice, our 1 teaspoon of salt for taste, and give it a good mix. We're going to break our egg on it and put it in. So now we're going to add another half teaspoon of salt. We don't know how salty it really is, so we're going to fry our first piece to see if it's going to be enough. And we'll add our beshan flour and our all-purpose flour into the mix. So we are almost done mixing it, and we're gonna let it marinate in the fridge or possibly outside if the meat is going to be alright for an hour. You can do it for 3 to 4 hours and it should be fine in taste. So now we're gonna fry our chapli kababs, and let's turn off the meat first. Now the chapli kebabs we're making are extra large because they can be eaten in a burger kind of format. but it's up to you how large you want to make it. So now we have set the heat to medium, and we're seeing how hard or soft they are. We're not going to turn them over if they're too soft, because then they're going to break. It's been about 3 minutes since we have started frying them. So we have just started flipping them over, and this is what they look like. It has been another 2 minutes since we started, a total of 5 minutes now since we've started frying these. Now the heat is on medium-high, and it's been a total of 9 minutes, and we're flipping these over still. After a total of 12 minutes, they're done, and our first round is going to come off the frying pan. And we're going to make our second batch the same way we did our first batch. So we're going to make burgers with our chapli kebab. So for it we need a sauce, and we have mayonnaise going in with mustard for our mix. And we're going to put in our peri peri sauce and give it a good mix. So here we are. Our beef Malai Chapli Kabab is done, and you can see you can eat it this way or however you like it, but it's entirely up to you. We already tasted it. It's very yummy and it's very juicy. You can see this is what it looks like inside. And I can guarantee you the burger that we made is just like the ones at the restaurant. You can make this at home and it's very good. Thanks for watching, everyone.